Hello people, what's up? Hope you are all doing well. My name is Karma and welcome to my YouTube channel The Himalayan Explorer, and also welcome to Mighty Himalayas. So guys, today I'm going to show you a agricultural practice related to organic farming. So guys, basically our village in Kinnaur district have started to do the organic farming from last few years, and in the next few years we'll be getting the organic certificate. So currently we are not using any insecticides and chemicals in our orchards, and that's why these are all organic, so we only have to use the organic manure. So today I'm going to show you this vermicompost pit. So guys, basically this is a small pit, rectangle in shape, and here we have earthen worms for making the vermicompost. And what we usually do, we just bring our manure from our homes that we get from our kettles, and then here we have to just deposit it in this pit, and then the next step is to just add water and also some insects we have to bring from other place, and then they are just kept here and we have to water regularly. In this we also have to put the dried leaves and also plant waste. I'm gonna dig a bit, and you can see this is all the upper layering, and if we dig it then we get to see the compost here, which is ready by now. And here I can show you an earthworm. These have very good properties and it helps the plant a lot. So currently it's the month of August and you can see the current size of apple. So during this time we have to add manure once to the plant so that we get a good size and also good color. So that's what we're gonna do today. And 2 days ago we just digged these pits of apple trees for weeds and other useless grasses, and now we will add manure into these so that the plants grow properly. And one thing to notice, this manure is very much hot and that's not suitable for trees. So earlier it was just an orchard and we just made it 2 years back. So here you can see this was an almond tree and it got dried because its root was there in. Alright, so guys, I'm in my another orchard, and this is on the other side of our village. Like that's our village over there, and this is on the another side of the village river that flows down from there. So here also we are having a vermicompost pit, and I'm going to show you the current size of apples. So they have grown to this size, so that's why we are adding the organic manure, and this will help it to have a good size and good color. So here was the pit and we have pumpkin also. So this is how we will take it out from and then fill it in sacks. Guys, recently we just watered on that side, so worms have gone toward that side, and here we can't see any worms currently, so it's only manure. And you can see how it looks like, the decomposed manure. So guys, there was the compost pit as you can see, and here I got this sack and it have all manure. So now I'm gonna take it to the tree. Let's go guys. Guys, this is how a tree looks, and a few days back we just digged this for weeds and we just filled with the soil. Otherwise it looks like this. It has grasses, so now you can see without any grasses. So this is a tree, apple tree, and we have to just put it at a distance from the root, from that step. So I'm gonna put it here. Because this is a vermicompost and it's very strong, so we have to only put half sack in one tree, so half will be thrown here and next will be taken there. guys, you can see here the manure have reached under this apple tree. So now I have to use this to just spread it over here so that we can water it later. So this is a local tool and it's used like this. So I will just scatter it around so that the manure mixes properly with the soil. So this is the process. So this is the basic process that we have to do for all trees in this orchard, and that's nearly 200. So for the whole day we have to do this, and in the evening we will also irrigate this orchard so that the manure gets to the soil, to the roots of the tree also. So yeah. So here we are having lots of earthworms, so we don't have to dig here. So you can see these are all the pumpkins. They grow well in this environment because it's a bit hotter. So we will do the digging on that another side over there. Here this is our vegetable garden. Cabbage, cauliflower and radish, and then there's the coriander and spinach and garlic and other vegetables also. So yeah. So guys, now we are done with adding manure, and now guys, fortunately we got water also to irrigate. So here you can see we just put some manure in this, and now we are irrigating it also. So this irrigation is very useful for manure because you can see the manure gets mixed to the whole pit, and this will also increase the nutrients in the soil. So that will result in the good size and color. So yeah, that's the last thing to do today. Alright, so guys, this was all about the vermicompost addition, and you can see this pit have gone a bit empty from some corners, and pumpkins are still here. So now guys, after some time we're gonna add some more manure from our home, and that we have just gathered after rearing some cattle. So now we're gonna take them from there and put it in this pit, and we regularly have to water this tank also because the earthworms need to grow properly. So we will be adding manure and also water. So that's all, and I hope you found something interesting about this video. So that's all. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also suggestions are always open as usual. So that's all. Goodbye, take care, stay safe, peace.